Okay, I'm going to do a sound check on 4 vacuums we have here. We just picked up the Sonanic Dyson big ball there, the animal. And then next to it we got the Miele Twist. And then one of the original Hoovers, which is was top rated at one time in Consumer Reports. It's part of the most powerful of the sponge here, especially off of the whole section. And then we got the smaller Dyson DC25. So I'm gonna turn each one on, and then we're gonna show them. That's the DC25, and it looks like it's right around 77. This is. Like 82 on the, this is the Miele. You see how quiet the Miele is. I got to drop it down. $68. This is the Dyson Sonanic, which is brand new. $78. So it's Miele, this one, and then that and that. Now it's going to be a little bit different. That's idle. Now once you get these things going, $76, $77. Hoover, the 30-pound beast here, but it's still a very good unit. It's running about 89, I'll say, on the average. It's powerful, but it is very loud. I'd say it's averaging about 70. Now the new guy on the block. About 78 to 79. So there you go, 4 different vacuums. The Miele is awfully quiet, and then probably followed by the Sonanic, and then the DC25, and then the beast over there, the Hoover.